In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quote in Confluence. Quotes are a simple, effective way to call attention to important ideas, feedback, or key takeaways in your Confluence pages. They add visual contrast, making content easier to scan, and they help separate an insight or reference from the rest of your writing. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can add a clean, professional quote with confidence. First, open the Confluence page where you want the quote to appear. It can be an existing page you're updating or a page you're currently drafting. Make sure you have permission to edit the page in your space. If you don't see editing controls later on, that's usually a permissions issue that your space administrator can address. Next, click Edit. This takes you into the page editor, where you can make changes safely before publishing. You'll see your page content along with the editor toolbar and the familiar blinking cursor. Now place your cursor exactly where you'd like the quote to appear. Think about context. Do you want it to introduce a section, break up a long block of text, or summarize a point at the end? Setting the right location helps the quote have the maximum impact. Type a / followed by the word quote. The / command in Confluence is a quick way to insert elements and macros without hunting through menus. As soon as you start typing, a small menu appears that filters options based on what you've entered. From that menu, select the quote option. The editor will insert a styled quote block. You'll typically see a visual cue like an indented region or a subtle border, indicating that you're working inside the quote area. Type or paste the text you want to quote right into that block. Keep it concise and meaningful. If you're attributing the quote, you can include the source on a new line within the same block using a simple dash before the name or title. After pasting from another source, take a moment to ensure the formatting looks clean and consistent with the rest of your page. When you're happy with how the quote looks, publish the page to save your changes. Publishing updates the live version so your team can see the quote exactly as you placed it. If you ever need to tweak the wording or move the quote, you can return to Edit, adjust it, and publish again. And that's it. You've added a polished quote to your Confluence page, enhancing clarity and readability for your audience.